Dindori Vidhan Sabha constituency. Dindori Vidhan Sabha constituency is one of the 288 Vidhan Sabha Legislative Assembly constituencies of Maharashtra state in western India. Overview. Dindori Dindori Vidhan Sabha. A seat is part of the Dindori Lok Sabha constituency along with 5 other Vidhan Sabha segments, namely Chandwad, Calvin Vidhan Sabha constituency, Nangaon, Nifad Vidhan Sabha constituency, and Yola Vidhan Sabha constituency. Members of Legislative Assembly. 1990, Bhagwantrao Gaikwad, Indian National Congress. 1995, Kisan Govind Charaskar, Indian National Congress. 1999, Ramdas Kisanrao Charaskar, Nationalist Congress Party. 2004, Narhari Sitaram Zerwal, Nationalist Congress Party. 2009, Danraj Mahal, Shiv. Election results. Assembly elections 2004. Assembly elections 2009. Assembly elections 2014.